to make a Uber Eats driver account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to make a Uber Eats driver account, here is how you can do it. First of all, you'll have to install the application Uber Driver. You can easily get it via the Play Store or App Store. Once that is done, you'll have to give the location access. After that, you will land to this page. You can either continue with your mobile, your Apple ID, email account or passkeys. If you wish to find your account, you can even search for it as well. Choose your method of signing up or making an account, and once that is done, it will ask you for some of the permissions. Make sure to give it all and tap on continue. Now that you do so, you can successfully log in into your account. Since Uber Eats is not available in all of the places and regions, you'll have to also make sure that you select the region in which Uber Eats driver is available. Only then you can sign in into your account and take orders successfully. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.